guys, Kimberly Thomason here with Vac MD, and today we're going to unbox the Simplicity S5. This is a brand new cordless handheld vacuum from Simplicity. I have not seen it yet in person, just online. And so if you do want to purchase one once you've seen this, you can click below. There'll be a link in the description as to how to buy that online through us, or you could call us. We like to talk too. All right, so first thing you get, instruction booklet. That's good. And here she is. Pretty neat. A good section here. That's the on off, and then high. All right. That must be how you empty the dirt. Figure that out. There's some other accessories that come with it, like its charger, which I think is pretty neat, that it sits in its charger wherever you decide to put it away. That's kind of fun. And the charging cord just plugs into the back of the dock here. And it appears that that is the only way you can charge it. You cannot plug the charging cord straight into the unit. Some vacuums you can do both. Crevice tool. It's kind of another crevice tool along with its dusting brush at the end. It's kind of a 2-in-1, they would call it. And those also are neat because they can also dock. I'll show you in a second once I get it on. Back there, 2-in-1. Those will dock in your dock as well, so it's all there together. So let me show you how these tools go on. I think I'm making this look like I've used it before, but I haven't. But when you've seen one vacuum, you kind of see. So that is a crevice tool. Woo! It picked it up. Nice. Like, I'm surprised. This is Simplicity. They're a pretty good vacuum brand. Simplicity is made by Taconi, which also owns Riccar. So a lot of their models have similar, or they have similar models with different names on them a lot of times. So let's check this, let's explore this a little bit more. I see some arrows here, so this will be fun to figure out what the arrows mean. Might have to. Hey Sarah, you see the new vacuum? She's not impressed. Sorry, Simplicity, but she's not really impressed with much. Okay, so after reading the directions, which I'm sure is a rarity because a lot of people go on to YouTube to learn, I learned that this is an expandable dirt cup, so you can hold more dirt. So when you just can't empty it and you just need that extra dirt, I guess you expand it. And then, easy peasy, this little lock button unlocks your dirt cup so you can clean it. And there is a very important HEPA filter in here, which we have on order. They're pre-ordering those right now because this is such a new unit as of today, which is end of October 2020. But otherwise, if it's months from now, go ahead, click the link below. I'm sure you can find one. Then, to put this all back together, There are arrows. See the arrows? It's telling you where to go. Ta-da! Arrows clicking. It also has a max fill, so it tells you how much you can fill it until you decide you want to drop that dirt cup and fill it a little more. Kind of neat. It's super lightweight. I have to say this is probably only 2 pounds, but I'll check on that. That's just my guesstimate. And it's really powerful. So it has your regular and high. Arrows down here. All right, guys, if you have any questions, give us a call about this. If you'd like to order one, click below. Don't forget, as always, to subscribe to our channel so you can see more fun vacuums, openings, repair videos, clean home things. Have a good day.